Hello, students. Welcome to the online teaching of St. Thomas School, Standard 7th, Subject English. Students, we have already started our Unit 5, Exploring Values. We have seen that the boy Swaminathan was given one arithmetic sum by his father, that Rama has 10 mangoes with which he wants to earn 15 annas. But Krishna wants only 4 mangoes. So, how much money will Krishna have to pay? So, here Swaminathan has to find that what will be the price of the 4 mangoes. But Swaminathan was not able to solve this answer. He was confused that whether the mangoes were ripe or unripe. Father tried to teach him how to solve this answer, but still Swaminathan was confused. Then let's see further. Look here, boy. I have half a mind to thrash you. What have you in your head? 10 mangoes cost 15 annas. What is the price of one? Come on, if you don't say it. Now here, father, he put pressurize the boy, Swaminathan, and he said, I have half a mind to thrash you. I have half a mind means he is in the angry mood, means I am in the mood of annoyance. He said, I have a half a mind to thrash you. What have you in your head? Father is angry now. What is in your head? What are you thinking? 10 mangoes cost 15 annas. Then what will be the price of one? Then he pressurized the boy that come on, you think and answer that what will be the price of the one mango. His hands took Swaminathan's ear and gently twisted it. Swaminathan could not open his mouth because he could not decide whether the solution could be found by addition, subtraction, multiplication, or division. Here, father now is in a complete anger. So he took Swaminathan's ear and he twisted his ear. And Swaminathan could not open his mouth because he don't know. He is not aware about that how to solve this answer. He is totally confused. He does not know that whether he has to find the answer by doing addition or he has to do subtraction or multiplication or division. He was completely blank. He is not able to solve this answer. The longer he hesitated, the more violent the twist was becoming. The father is twisting his ear. And the long time when he was not able to give the answer, the long time he hesitated to give the answer, more violent the twist, more hardly the father twisting his ears. In the end, when father was waiting with a scowl for an answer, he received only a squeal from his son. Now the father is completely angry. He was going to squall for an answer. Squall means he was to frown. He show his complete anger. He was going to beat him. So when at the end father's completely angry, then he was waiting for an answer. Then in answer nothing he gets. In answer he received only a squeal. Squeal means a long sharp sound which the Swaminathan make, means he is shouting. When father twisting his ear, he is making a squeal by paining. I am not going to leave you till you tell me how much a single man cost at 15 annas for 10. But father, he said, I am not going to leave you. I will not leave you till you answer me. You have to answer me that how much a single man cost at 15 annas for 10. 15 annas. By selling the 10 mangoes, he has to earn 15 annas. Then what will be the price of one mango? Krishna wants only 4 mangoes. So how much Krishna will have to pay? If you will not give me the answer, I am not going to leave you. What was the matter with father? Swaminathan kept blinking. Where was the urgency to know its price? Anyway, if father wanted to know so badly, instead of harassing him, let him go to the market and find it out. Here, Swaminathan was completely confused and father is pressurizing him to give the answer. So Swaminathan thought that what's the matter with father? What happened to father? He kept blinking. Blinking means closing the eyes shut and open. Closing and opening the eyes. That is called blinking. So Swaminathan kept blinking his eyes and he thought that what happened with the father? What is the urgency to know the price? Why he's so in a urgency to know the price of the mangoes? And if he wants to know the price so badly, then instead of harassing him, instead of asking him, let go to market and find it out. If he wants to know the price of the mangoes, then without asking me, without harassing me, without twisting my ears, go to the market and find out the price of the mangoes. Father admitted defeat by declaring, one mango cost 15 over 10 annas. Simplify it. And father twisting his ear, pressurizing him, but Swaminathan was not able to give a single word, a single answer. So at last father defeated, and little bit he gave him a hint, and he he declared that one mango cost 15 over 10 annas, and he said that now simplify it. One mango cost 15 over 10 annas means 15 by 10. That fraction father has given to Swaminathan. Here he was being led to the most difficult part of the arithmetic fraction. Now here the most difficult part. This arithmetic, he was very weak in that. And now most difficult part he entered. What? That arithmetic fraction. 15 by 10. Now that will be the cost of the mangoes. Give me slate, father. I will find out. But here, as father gave him hint that one mango costs 15 over 10, means 15 by 10. So now Swaminathan said that give me slate, father. Now I will try to find out. He worked and found out at the end of 15 minutes the price of one mango is 3 over 2 annas. He expected to be contradicted any moment. So here, after 15 minutes hard work, in the slate he tried and tried that 15 by 10. He tried to simplify it. After working hard, and at the end of the 15 minutes, he found that the price of the one mango, what he found, the price of the one mango is 3 over 2 annas. 3 over 2 means 3 by 2. That he found out. That price of the one mango will be 3 by 2. 3 by 2 means one mango's price will be 1.5. So he found out that price of the one mango is 3 over 2 annas. And he expected to be contradicted any moment. Contradicted means he thought that maybe he will be wrong. And some contradict means some opposite answer will come. Father will say, no, this is wrong. And you are not right. So he was expecting that answer. But father said, very good. Simplify it further. But father appreciated because he was going in the right direction. Father said, very good. Now 3 by 2. So you simplify it further. Further you find out. It was plain sailing after that. It was plain sailing after that means the answer is still incomplete. Still answer he did not got. What he has to find out? That how much Krishna have to pay for 4 mangoes. That is the question. So still he is confused. Father said, simplified. Swaminathan announced at the end of half an hour's Agni, Krishna must pay 6 annas and burst into tear. And Swaminathan tried and tried till half hour. At the end of the half hour, he declared, means he said that Krishna must have to pay 6 annas. Means 3 by 2. Means 2 mangoes price is 3. Then 4 mangoes price obviously 6. So 4 mangoes Krishna wants. So he has to give 6 annas. So at last, after end of the half an hour, Krishna was able to answer that Krishna has to give 6 annas. And then he burst into tears, means he started crying loudly. So at the end, after the much pressurized by the father, Krishna was able to solve this answer. So here we have end this story of a father and a son about this arithmetic sum, how father helped him to solve this answer. So students, here is the end of the activity 2. The further activity, activity 3 and 4 and further activity we will discuss in the next video. So here we will end. Your homework is again, you have to read this activity 2 again. Okay students, bye bye.